and insignificant bit players. But who knows the heroes of any drama until that drama has played itself out?
Nigga, you see me with this hair? Nigga, I'm like Goku, nigga. I'm like Super Saiyan. Yeah. Oh, the fuck? Nigga, that was not me. That definitely was not me. Nope. Who the fuck else is out there? Hello? Hello? Anybody? Anybody? Anybody else? It's just me. By myself. Yeah, shit. Alright, well. Hello? Fuck. You. Oh, shit. This nigga over here. His long ass neck. Weird ass head. This nigga is walking by and doing the same shit. Leave this nigga alone and he won't eat. What if I can land on this? I bet you I can land on it. So, aha! I landed on it. Yeah, see? Come on back. What else is on there? Ah, this is comfortable, see? Free taxi. Why we stop? What's going on? What's happening? Driver! Driver? What the fuck are you doing? What? You ate those? Oh. Alright, well. I guess I mean you eating them. Let me try one, right? Nigga, this is good. Nigga, this is hella good. Hey, did you hear that? I'm telling you, I'm hearing shit. Oh shit! Fuck! This nigga almost stepped on me. Oh shit! This nigga just tried to bite. This bitch. Come here, motherfucker. Oh fuck. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I don't even know what this nigga is. I can't even see this nigga. Did anybody else know this? I almost died. Holy shit. I'm still alive. Hell yeah. I wonder what's gonna happen to that other nigga. What the fuck is that? Well, oh shit! What's up, niggas? How you doing? Chicken nigga. Bet you do taste like chicken with mama. Hi. Fuck. Y'all come back here. We just want to talk. Shit. Fly my wings. Why can't I fly? I can climb. Oh yeah, I can climb. Aha. Taking off up on this tree, bitches. So which way do you go? I don't know. We did you don't know. Nigga, he's still around. These niggas ain't around. Shh. Or sound. Oh shit. Wait a minute. Haha, bitches. I'm up here. What you got now? You got nothing. Nothing. This nigga is on top of the tree. For now. Come down here, bitch. Oh shit! The fuck? Where the fuck you go? Nigga! Nigga, you out there? Oh shit! What the fuck is this? Nigga, this is a giant. Oh, I'm out this bitch. Fuck that. You see weird niggas. Oh yeah, weird niggas. Yep, them niggas got eaten. Yep. Get out, nigga, get. Oh, you. That hurt. I'm out of here. Aha! Right back where I was starting. Not a free ride. Hell yeah. Fuck, I stepped in something! Yeah, nigga, I seen that shit. It was one of them big frog niggas. See, there he is. Black. Steak. Nah, fuck them niggas. I got this nigga right here. All to myself.